Easy English practice.
Hi, I'm Daniel. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Lily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved here. And you?
I've lived here for 3 years. Where are you from?
I'm from Greenfield. Have you heard of it?
Yes, I've been there once. It's a nice place.
Thank you. Do you live nearby?
Yes, my house is 5 minutes from here. And you?
I live in the Maple Apartments. Do you know it?
Yes, it's a good area. How do you like it so far?
It's nice, but I'm still getting used to it.
If you need help, let me know. Do you work here?
Yes, I just started a new.
I work in IT. What about you?
I work in a clothing store. Do you like your job?
Yes, it's interesting. Do you enjoy yours?
I do. I like talking to customers.
Sometimes, for work. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it. What's your favorite place to visit?
I like the mountains. What about you?
I prefer beaches. Have you been to many beaches?
A few. Do you have a favorite beach?
Yes, Sunrise Beach. Have you heard of it?
Yes, I went there last year. Do you like swimming?
I love it. Do you swim often?
Not often, but I enjoy it. Do you like sports?
Yes, I play tennis. And you?
I like football. Do you watch football?
Sometimes. Who's your favorite team?
Manchester United. Do you watch movies?
Yes, I love movies. What's your favorite type?
I like action movies. And you?
I prefer romantic comedies. Do you read books?
Yes, I enjoy mystery novels. Do you read often?
Yes, I like novels too. Do you go out on weekends?
Sometimes. Do you like exploring new places?
Yes, I enjoy it. Do you know good places here?
Yes, I can show you around. Would you like that?
That sounds great. Thank you, Daniel.
You're welcome, Lily. Let's plan something soon.
Sure, I'd like that. Nice talking to you.
Same here. Have a great day.
You too. See you soon.
Hello, where would you like to go?
Hi, I want to go to the city center.
Sure. Have you been there before?
No, this is my first time. Is it far?
Not too far, about 20 minutes.
That's good. Is traffic bad today?
A little, but I'll take a faster route.
Thank you. Do you drive every day?
Yes, I work 6 days a week.
That's a lot. Do you enjoy driving?
I do. I meet new people every day.
That sounds nice. How long have you been a driver?
For 5 years now. What about you? Do you work?
Yes, I work in an office. Do you like your job?
Yes, but sometimes it's tiring. Do you travel often?
Not much, but I like exploring new places.
The city center is beautiful. You'll enjoy it.
That's good to hear. Are there good restaurants there?
Yes, many. What kind of food do you like?
I like Italian food. Do you have a favorite place?
Yes, there's a great pizza place near the park.
I'll check it out. Do you know if there's a shopping mall?
Yes, there's a big one nearby. Do you like shopping?
Yes, sometimes. Do you get many passengers to the city center?
Yes, it's a popular place. Are you visiting alone?
Yes, I wanted a day to explore. Do you take breaks during work?
Yes, I stop for lunch. Do you have plans after the city center?
Not yet. Do you have any recommendations?
You can visit the park or the museum.
That sounds interesting. Is the park close by?
Yes, it's a 10-minute walk from the city center.
Great. Do you listen to music while driving?
Sometimes, but I turn it off when I have passengers.
That's thoughtful. Do you drive at night too?
Yes, sometimes. Night drives are peaceful. Do you like night outings?
Yes, but not too late. Is driving hard at night?
A little, but the roads are less busy. Do you feel safe in taxis?
Yes, especially when the driver is polite.
Thank you. I try to make passengers comfortable.
You're doing a great job. How much is the fare?
It will be around $15. Do you need a receipt?
Yes, please. Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day at the city center.
Thanks. Have a good day too.
Hello, are you new here?
Yes, it's my first day.
Welcome to the office. I'm Alex.
Thank you. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Which department are you in?
I'm in marketing. What about you?
I'm in sales. Our teams work closely together.
Oh, that's great. How long have you been here?
I've been here for 2 years. Do you like the office?
It looks nice, but it's big. I hope I don't get lost.
Don't worry. You'll learn quickly. Have you met your manager?
Yes, I met her in the morning. She seems kind.
She is very supportive. Did you get your desk?
Yes, it's near the window. Do you sit nearby?
No, my desk is on the other side.
Sure. Are there many new employees this month?
Yes, a few joined last week. It's a growing company.
That's good to know. Is the work here challenging?
Sometimes, but the team helps each other. Do you like teamwork?
Yes, I enjoy working with people. Are the co-workers friendly?
Very friendly. You'll make friends quickly. Have you seen the cafeteria?
Not yet. Is it good?
Yes, the food is nice, and it's a good place to relax.
That's good to hear. Do you usually eat there?
Sometimes. Other days, I bring food from home.
I might try both. Do you know if there's a coffee machine?
Yes, there's one in the break room. Coffee is free.
That's great. Do you have long working hours?
Not always. It depends on the deadlines. Do you like working late?
Not really, but I'll manage. Do we have regular meetings?
Yes, every Monday. Your manager will explain.
Okay. Are there team outings too?
Yes, we have outings every few months. They're fun.
That sounds exciting. Is there a gym in the office?
Yes, on the ground floor. Do you like working out?
Yes, sometimes. I'll check it out. Are you part of any office clubs?
I'm in the book club. You should join if you like reading.
I love reading. I'll think about it. Do you have any tips for me?
Just be confident and ask questions if you need help.
Thank you, Alex. You've been very helpful.
You're welcome, Sarah. Let's catch up during the break.
Sure. See you then.